If you want to learn how to use CapCut for video editing with an easy workflow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple beginner-friendly CapCut editing process from start to finish, so you can turn raw clips into a clean, polished video without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're editing for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or just making videos for fun, this workflow will help you save time and stay organized. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is start a new project in CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your device and from the home dashboard, click the New Project button. CapCut will now open your device library where you can select the video files you want to edit. Choose the clips you want to work with, then click Import to bring them into your media bin. This is the starting point for every edit, and once your files are imported, you're ready to build your video. Now let's move on to the timeline, which is where the real editing happens. Take your imported video clips and drag them down into the bottom timeline area. Place them in the exact order you want them to play. This step is important because the timeline controls the flow of your entire video. Once your clips are in place, move the vertical playhead line to the exact spot where you want to cut. Then click the split icon or use Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac if you're editing on desktop. This will cut the clip right where your playhead is positioned. From there, you can delete any mistakes, awkward pauses, dead air, or footage you no longer need. A clean timeline makes your video feel smoother, faster, and much more professional. Next, let's improve the audio. Click on the Audio tab in the main asset menu. CapCut gives you access to a free audio library so you can browse and choose a background track that fits the mood of your video. Once you find a track you like, drag it onto the timeline directly beneath your video clips. After that, lower the music volume so it does not overpower your voiceover or spoken dialogue. This is one of the easiest ways to make your video feel more polished because the right music can add energy without distracting from your main content. If your voice is the focus, always keep the background music subtle and balanced. Now it's time to add text and captions. Click on the Text tab in the menu bar and then choose Auto Captions. This feature is extremely useful because it automatically turns your speech into on-screen text. Select your language, then click Generate, and CapCut will create captions for your video. After that, you can style the text using the right-hand panel. You can change the font, color, size, and overall look all at once, which helps your captions match your video style. Captions are especially helpful for viewers watching without sound, and they can also make your content easier to follow and more engaging. After that, you can make your video feel more dynamic by adding transitions and effects. Click on the Transitions tab, then drag a transition like a fade or blur directly between two video clips. Transitions help clips move smoothly from one shot to the next instead of feeling abrupt. If you want to change the overall visual style, you can also explore the Effects or Filters tabs. These tools let you adjust the mood of your video and give it a more cinematic, creative, or polished look depending on your content. Just remember not to overdo it. Simple edits often look the best, especially if you want your video to feel clean and professional. Once your edits are finished, it's time to export your video. Click the bright export button in the top right corner of the screen. Give your file a clear name so it is easy to find later. Then choose your resolution, and 1080p is usually the best option for social media and most online platforms. When everything looks good, click Export again to save the final video directly to your device. CapCut will process the project and create your finished video file ready to upload and share. And that's the full easy workflow for how to use CapCut for video editing. You started a new project, imported your clips, built your timeline, split and cleaned up footage, added music, created captions, applied transitions and effects, and exported the final result. Once you get comfortable with this flow, editing in CapCut becomes much faster and much easier. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what CapCut feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.